In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy products and payment and how you can pay. And this is actually very simple. So the first step is to click on our account right here after we have installed the Amazon app. Then we click on account and now we click on payments and transactions. As you can see, I already have mine, and here you can add a new transaction, for example, a bank account or PayPal, whatever, so that you can pay. Now, after you have done that, we're gonna click on this arrow and go back. And after you have selected a product that you wanna buy, you're simply gonna scroll a little bit below. And now you can select the quantity, so how many products you want. And you're gonna see when it's, delivered approximately, and now you can add it to the basket, or you can buy now, so you can buy it right now and not only leave it in here. You can leave it in the basket if you're not sure if you want to buy it or if you want to buy it later. But if you buy now, you click on buy now, and then you select if you want the standard shipping or premium shipping. Premium shipping is a little bit more expensive but faster, and here you can select what you want to pay with. You see the price, and you're simply going to click on buy now. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing.